In this video, I will explain how climate change is affecting the small island states in the Pacific. You will learn about the dangers these islands face due to rising sea levels and other climatic changes. Climate change refers to the long-term alteration of the global climate. It is primarily caused by the increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, leading to global warming. These changes affect the weather and the environment in many parts of the world. In the Pacific, the impacts of climate change are leading to rising sea levels. This rise threatens the low-lying islands, which are only a few meters above sea level. More frequent and stronger storms exacerbate these issues. As a result, life on these islands is becoming increasingly difficult. A higher sea level can result in land flooding. Many island states in the Pacific are made of coral reefs, which are very sensitive to rising waters. When the land is flooded, island residents lose their homes and livelihoods. Additionally, fertile soils become unusable due to salt and water contamination. Agriculture on the islands is also significantly affected by climate change. Higher temperatures and fluctuating rainfall make growing crops more challenging. Salt water infiltrates the soil, destroying harvests. As a result, the inhabitants rely heavily on imports, which significantly increase their cost of living. Small island states in the Pacific are particularly vulnerable to natural disasters such as typhoons and cyclones. These storms can cause severe damage, destroy buildings, and disrupt the livelihoods of the people. The frequency and intensity of these storms continue to rise due to climate change. These disasters can render entire islands uninhabitable. Climate change also impacts the fauna and flora in the Pacific. Rising sea temperatures and ocean acidification threaten the lives of coral reefs and fish. Many species dependent on the reefs are losing their habitats. This leads to a decline in biodiversity, which also affects humans, as many island states rely on fishing for their livelihood. The infrastructure on small islands is often insufficient to withstand the impacts of climate change. Roads, ports, and buildings are poorly protected against flooding and storms. These states have limited resources to improve their infrastructure. This leads to significant challenges that heavily affect the daily lives of the population. Some island residents are forced to leave their homes as living conditions become increasingly difficult. Rising sea levels and more frequent natural disasters make many areas uninhabitable. This migration poses a significant challenge for both the affected people and the receiving countries. Many Pacific Island states, therefore, call for support in dealing with this issue. The small island states in the Pacific are advocating internationally for stronger climate protection measures. They are calling on industrialized nations to do more to stop climate change and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. In addition, these countries require support in adapting to the impacts of climate change. In international negotiations, they aim to raise awareness of their particularly vulnerable position.